Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are watching the latest main gate design ideas because entrance gate is first element of your home. Visitors notice its help to create impression about the house and occupants that provide security and protection for the resident. Entrance gate design should be reflect the design and philosophy of the occupants. Security is considered the main factor of the entrance gate. Stay away from horizontal slides because one can climb uneasily. Having full OPQ or blockage gate, like panels of the wood or metals, will ensure full privacy from the, especially if you have view inside the house. Entrance gate should preferable by place its side not only middle of the plot of line. If the plot of corner plot with roads on the two edges, then it's advisable to take to entrance gate on the smaller road away to vehicular movement of the wider road. This will help also maintaining privacy. If the plot front gate is small and door cannot open fully, you can install sliding door. It has to maximum opening. Ensure maximum space for vehicle movements. Of the other hand, so you have to big enough front gate. Separate smaller gate can be installed from. Entrance gate should be sturdy and strong to withstand because frequently used. If you have metal gates, it should be painted once in a while to avoid rusting and peeling paints. One can find various designs and materials for main gates that can be implemented, but various designs for the main gate for your home. This finishes solid structure gate. It's mounted or bricks. It means it's assembled too easy. The gate, depending on the gate design, may be filled with. It is very important to understand the main gate or entrance gate of our home. The main gate is first point of contact any person with your property. The main gate can be of several varieties and you may choose the best option depending upon your requirements. But you should definitely make some important decision like choosing the best material, correct design, shape and size for the main gate. You can also need to decide the proper colored security features in your main gate so that it suits your purpose. Choosing the best color for your main gate is almost as important as choosing a right direction for general guidelines while choosing the color of main gate. You should prefer softer shades like silver, white and blue. You should avoid using very dark colors like black, dark blue, dark red, etc. Let's have to look some of favorable colors for the main gate. Good gate design for combination aesthetic functionality, appearance and security. When someone's a gate front of in your house, their first reaction may be what judges gateway, but is that crucial? Thanks to entrance design gates, there's no need to be concerned about kids or animal being. Good gate design may be dramatically boost the value of your property. Much like many other homeowners, from financial standpoint, still makes sense you. Entrance gate designs could be make your property same. Its first may be significant enhance the look of your house. These are gates match very property and the sense of style from the traditional and simple designs. Moreover, whatever your restrict timber style, some details, the decorative elements and neighbors. When the quality consider an entrance gateway, maybe investment, it's not just only provide unbreakable security, but it should also durable enough to continue preferring the same level every day from very long time. This involves maintaining in durability over time. When designing a gate, it is essential to take into account several crucial factors including materials, designs and surroundings. Given the gate design and thoughtfully be more aesthetic pleasing to match home type with the gate. A mismatched gate design the house